What's going on out there, everybody? Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. How's everybody weekend going? AJT Mopar parts price going crazy here in Canada. Thermostat for PT. Whoa, that's an OEM with the little white seal on it, right? Yes. I got not burnt on a guys, I'm gonna make a video on this. We're getting cold, right? So it's time to turn on your heaters. In other words, it's heater season, right? Heaters need to come on. For all you guys that's diagnosing cars or DIY or whatever, you finna start getting complaints such as my heater's not hot. My niece Wrangler, she brought it to the shop yesterday. I didn't film it because I was sneaking doing the job, right? I told her, come on in. So I snuck her in and done it. So I ain't got time to really be right. I'm already breaking the rules a little bit. So I mean, it's my niece. So push come to shove, I tell them, shut up, man. I'm JT and this is my niece. Okay. I'm kidding. But anyway, the first thing you do, guys, again, I'm gonna make a video, but I don't mind talking about it now. You get a car, complaining, no heat. First thing I do, this is a 2012 Wrangler. So I don't know. I popped the hood. She left it running. I popped the hood. I went up and grabbed both heater hoses. Hot to the T. Oh, ow. Ooh. Inlet and outlet. What that tells me is cooling flow is going through the heater core and coming back out. So now I've just eliminated half of the plumbing side. Remember, guys, AC and heating, there's 3 sides to it actually, but we'll talk about 2: the plumbing side and the electrical side. So by filling both of those holes, I eliminated the plumbing side. I eliminated the thermostat, water pump, cooling, all of that, because my heater holes are hot and because they extremely hot. All right, so I get inside. This is one of those. Y'all know we doing electronic actuators now. There's some more vacuum control actuators. So I got the temp on hot, it's cold. I got the temp on cold, it's cold. So on a Wrangler, you can pull some doors down and see actuators. I turn the mold door panel, you can see the actuator moving. Defrost, it moved. I turn the recirc, it's doing this thing. I turn the temp, the actuator doing nothing. All right. Now, a lot of the newer cars monitor the actuator. Remember we talked about this 2-wire setup? Some of the computers can tell the travel range of the actuators. Same case. I pulled up my computer and pulled it up. Lo and behold, temp actuator travel too far. Yes, it's something easy. I get happy when it's something easy. And remember, this is a Wrangler, so you can visibly see the actuators. Long story short, the temp actuator is bad. Now, I just brought all that up to say this. Don't overthink things, guys. Don't overthink, a lot of stuff. I mean, you can cut your diagnostic time in half by, simple thinking. Try the process of elimination. Eliminate the plumbing side. Now, granted, if you grab those heater hoses and they cold, or one side is hot and one side is cold, then yeah, you got plumbing issues, okay? But you can eliminate, like I say, process of elimination. They both hot, problem inside, all right? Because it doesn't matter if heater core circulating or if coolant circulating through the heater core. If the door is still stuck in the cold position, the air coming out of the vent is going to be cold. Vice versa, if it's stuck in the hot, air coming out of the vent going to be hot, and it's going to stay hot because the actuator is making it stay hot. All right, so yes, real fast, quick talk about man, PT Lover got me way out there. I didn't mean to go there, guys. Blame it on PT Lover. Humble Super Tech JT, how much you selling your nothing, man? I'm keeping my truck. What is wrong with you, man? I've been had that truck 2 decades, man. Do you know that truck do not have 100,000 miles on it? That's a Nissan. I've never done any major. Now I'm ashamed to say that, but forget it. It is what it is. I never done any major work to that damn truck. It's a Nissan. I've always said the import cars, I don't know. They just last longer. I don't know, but I'm not into bashing down the American-made cars, so I will not do that. All I know is I haven't done nothing major to that Nissan truck, and it's still purling like a kid. All right. Yo, Humble, no, I'm not selling my truck, man. Get out of here, man. What's wrong with you? Scale of 1 to 10. How difficult is it for a non-mechanic to change the plugs, PCB valve on a 2015 36 V6, trying to save money? You, my friend, 2015 what? All right, I mean, what? 2015 front wheel drive, which means the engine gonna be sideways, or 2015 Challenger Charger rear wheel drive. Either way, they're easy, man. The plenum comes up. You talking about spark plugs? The plenum comes up. I got a nice little video out there show you how to easily get that plenum off, and the plugs will be whoa, just sitting there saying, "Change me, Lando 57, replace me. I'm ready." All right. Yeah, and the PCV valve is even easier. I mean, if this is a rear wheel drive, it's real easy. But this is a DIY channel, my friend. So you in the right area. There's a guy in here got a channel called Automotive Fix It Channel DIY. Everything is DIY related in this whole vicinity. So yeah, you can get that done. Now, scale of 1 to 10 for a non-mechanic, that's still not a lot of good description of a person. Okay, a non-mechanic could still be mechanically inclined. I know a lot of non-mechanics. I know a guy that what that dude that did his Hemi. He said he worked on copying machines, but he was able to do a freaking camshaft on his Hemi truck. So I'm like, man, you a mechanic? What you talking about? Nah, I just felt like doing it myself. Right, so there's a difference. I mean, he's mechanically inclined. Let me put it like that. All right, I got you can probably watch complete non-edited videos on YouTube of it being done and judge for yourself. Do you have the two? It starts there. That's why a lot of the videos exist. It's to show you how it's done. But a lot of people will sit there and go, I've watched just about enough to know I'm not fooling with that. And that's not a bad thing, guys, because the last thing you want to do is tackle something. I had to get on to myself about that when I filmed those Pentastar ticking noise video. I made it appear or look extremely easy. And I had to make a whole nother video explain, wait a minute, guys, wait a minute. Okay, this is technically not a DIY job. Okay, what you see me doing, I'm a certified mechanic. I do this stuff daily. So it appears I'm making it look easy. I want you to be aware of something, okay? If you're not mechanically inclined, please don't try this. There's nothing like starting a DIY job at home just to have the car towed to the dealership to complete. That is embarrassing. Your neighbor sitting back going, I knew damn well he couldn't do that. I told him he didn't know what the hell he was doing. I knew that. Your nosy neighbor would have something to talk about. You don't want to give them nothing to talk about. I'm telling you, man, they just sitting over there waiting on you to fail. Look at him. Look at him. He don't know what he's doing. Next thing you know, a tow truck pulling up. Beep, beep, beep. Here come the neighbor. I told you. I did. All right. So yes, don't. I had to start putting that disclaimer on my videos. Okay, guys, these are not DIY. You have to be mechanically inclined to pull this stuff off.